What is that smell?
Yeah.
Your face.
Hi everyone, welcome to BFI show. Today we're going to talk about Bohomys, which is a new social enterprise that just joined Magic and also Bife Impact. We have number one, Sophia from Pink Collar. Hi Sophia.
Hi Reza. Hi everyone.
And also we have Muna. You guys might have seen her quite kecoh during our quiz show with Magician. So we have Muna from a Gap team in Magic.
Hi everyone, it's your favorite accelerator girl.
Right. So what we're doing today is that I mentioned earlier it's Bohomys, right? So they have this tie-dye kit. We have these two wonderful ladies here who are gonna explore about the product, the kit, and we're gonna see how easy it is to do it, right? So what we have, I think everyone received a box, right? So inside the box, right, they have few items. Number one, what they have is a cotton top. Okay, then we have natural indigo.
Okay.
We have hydrated lime. And lastly, we have a soda ash. Alright, so a bit cheat code for today, this, which is indigo dye, that's already been mixed with fructose and also hydrated lime. So I managed to have a chat with the founder, Shakira. So she told me the reason why she started doing the tie-dye, because she noticed that most of the tie-dye products that is available out there is a bit synthetic and it's toxic. It's a harm the environment, and not just that, right? It could harm if people have sensitive skin. So that's why she wanted to do natural dye and teach natural dye to as much as she could. So now, in order to start, right, we need a bowl and with water.
Got it here.
Oh. So you take your cloth, the white cloth that you have, put the soda ash, soak the soda ash in the water with the cloth, right? So ideally, if you have 1 liter of water, you need 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
I actually have a story about tie-dye. So you mentioned sensitive skin, right? Okay, so I have super sensitive skin. So this one time I went on vacation, and we went like shopping for souvenirs, and then I saw like this tie-dye shirt that I liked. So then I purchased the tie-dye shirt, and then I wore it the next day.
And then what happened?
I got I don't know, it was like a allergic reaction, I think, and it was the worst place. It was like in my armpit.
Oh no!
Yeah, that's my tie-dye story. So stay safe and use Bohomys.
No, it just proved that it's legit, right? What she's trying to do.
Yeah, definitely.
Now what we do is, after you have this, you just put inside and just like kacau-kacau lah.
Okay.
This is me. I also never done it before, so I hope all of us will manage to do it.
So I guess this soda ash will help you not get itchy armpits.
I guess so, probably. But I think the tie-dye also helps. I'll tell you what exactly is a tie-dye. Like where did they made it from, things like that.
I feel like I'm in like high school doing a science experiment.
Yeah.
I've like used my hands and been creative.
So they said scrub the fabric in the soda ash mixture and rinse it, but rinsing is not really required lah, basically.
A few moments later.
The name of Bohomys, right? What is actually Bohomys? Bohomys come from two words, Bohemian and Malaysia, which is MYS. So that's why Boho and Malaysia become Bohomys. Why they use Bohemian concept? Because they love the free spirited of Bohemian lifestyle. They appreciate nature and imperfection of things, but still want to show where they come from, which is so unique when we talk about how people come up with names. And I want to ask Sophia now. You come up with Pink Collar. Why is it pink?
Do you guys have like any idea before I share? What do you guys think? Why do you think pink color?
I think the three of you love pink, and the three of you always wear collar t-shirt. How about Muna? What do you think? What do you think came from?
I don't know. It's always like pink is always associated with like women. So I think it's along the lines of that.
Yeah, I think somewhat. So I guess you guys may have probably heard of like white collar jobs and blue collar jobs. And blue collar typically means jobs in in construction or mining, things like that. So for us, pink color represented women working in domestic households. That was the inspiration for it as well.
So I think it's almost 10 minutes for me. I mean, what we'll do is we're gonna like just squeeze it, basket, and then just put in a dry area.
I'm making a mess already, guys.
Newspaper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really messy, so I knew I had to do something.
Yeah.
So just to share a bit about tie-dye, right? I mean, first of course, they design the fabric, such as tie-dye or batik canting, and they color them into natural dye. Fun thing about this is actually they planted their own. The name of the tree is Indigofera tinctoria. So, because what they do is the indigo leaf need to be fermented in fresh water for about 2 days, and then they process it during lime and fructose. So it's a long process. What we get is like quite a cheat code lah, like a fast forward kind of thing, right? Okay, I think this is good enough for now. There's few ways. Either you can like lipat properly, do water, and then you just like ikat here, ikat there. I'm probably gonna do the triangle one.
I'm kind of boring, so I'm doing the square.
I've got a cinnamon roll situation here.
Yeah.
Oh, looks cute.
Why they are using natural dye? Because they said they want customers to learn to take care of the product by using safer detergent, less water, and it's a way to care about natural dye, and which is to slow the fading process dye, right? So what we'll do is you dip a bit, and then you have to let it air for 5 minutes. So basically, the reason why we are letting it air, right? Because indigo needs to be oxidized before you dip in another time until you're satisfied with the color. And how to know it's oxidized? So I told you just now, like this color is a bit green or blue. I think it's green now. It will change to blue when it's in contact with oxygen. So once it turns to blue, then we can do the next dip.
Why is mine so dark?
Yeah. But why is mine so light? Is mine supposed to be darker?
I'm also like quite light.
Maybe we should have kept it for longer. I don't know.
I don't know. Never mind. That's the beauty of this DIY kit. Right? We never know what's the outcome.
I feel like I'm putting butter on my bun.
You're kind of making me hungry now. I feel like eating a cinnamon roll.
Oh, fun fact! I'm allergic to cinnamon.
I'm allergic to many things apparently.
But I'm pretty sure you're not allergic to cricket food, right?
But hold on. Like, what? Cricket?
Did you see the snack that he put inside the box?
Yes?
What do you think that is?
Yeah, so it's cricket. Yeah. Eat it, don't worry.